Hello, and welcome to Wonderworld, your travel channel. Today we're going on a journey through the City of Light, Paris. We'll explore its main landmarks, curiosities, and discover what makes this city one of the most enchanting in the world. Paris is the capital of France, known worldwide as one of the most important centres of art, culture, fashion, and history. Walking through Paris feels like strolling inside an open-air museum. Charming streets, cosy cafes, impressive architecture, and a unique atmosphere. And of course, we can't talk about Paris without starting with its biggest star, the Eiffel Tower. Inaugurated in 1889 for the World's Fair, it has become the great symbol of the city. Standing over 300 meters tall, it offers a breathtaking view of Paris. At night, when it lights up, the tower gains a special charm and puts on an unforgettable show. Another must-see is the Louvre Museum, the largest art museum in the world. It houses some of the most famous works in history, such as the Mona Lisa and the Venus de Milo. The museum is so vast that a single visit is rarely enough to see it all. Notre Dame Cathedral also deserves a special mention. A true icon of Gothic architecture, it impresses with its stained glass, sculptures, and towers. Despite the fire in 2019 that caused significant damage, the cathedral is under restoration and remains one of Paris's most important symbols. Moving on through the city, we reach the Arc de Triomphe, built to celebrate Napoleon Bonaparte's victories. It stands at the beginning of the famous Champs-Élysées Avenue, considered one of the most beautiful in the world, full of shops, cafés, and vibrant life. Another charming spot is Montmartre, the bohemian neighbourhood that breathes art and creativity. At the top of the hill stands the Sacré-Cœur Basilica, offering one of the most stunning views of Paris. Walking through Montmartre's streets feels like stepping back in time, recalling the days when artists like Picasso and Van Gogh roamed the area. And how about discovering Paris from a boat on the River Seine? The river cuts through the city, and the boat rides, known as bateaux mouches, offer a magical experience, especially at night, when all the monuments are beautifully lit. Just outside Paris lies the Palace of Versailles, one of the most impressive places in France. Once the residence of royalty, it is famous for its vast gardens and the dazzling Hall of Mirrors. A visit there lets you relive the grandeur of French history. Paris is, without a doubt, much more than a tourist destination. It's an experience that blends history, beauty, emotion, and inspiration. And now I want to know, which of these places do you dream of visiting in Paris? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss our next adventures.